So I gotta be in the mood to vlog, and lately I just haven't been, but guess what? Today, I'm definitely in the mood, and we're doing a lot of work on the Infinity. So this could be a good day. We're stopping by Jimmy John's here, grab some sandwiches, get back there, got our Bang energy drinks, and honestly, those test pipes, I started unbolting them, we're taking those out. Gotta get the air boxes all removed so we can access that. And we're putting new cats in, the fresh ones that are actually gonna work, new O2 sensors. I spent a lot of money on parts to get this thing up and running, just smooth. A new fuel dampener so that we get rid of the fuel leak, then we're gonna tackle the power steering problem. And last but not least, I got some HID headlights to replace the ones that are in there. And those things are crazy, so can't wait. Let's get started. G35 to grab some of this Nissan spicy teriyaki beef spicy chow mein, because as you know, you can't even work on cars unless you're eating Nissan noodles. It just doesn't, it's not the same, and your car's gonna be fucking slow otherwise. Came in here, I think those are kind of huge boxes to put headlights in, but let's check this out. Alright, here we go. These are TYC headlights. They should be pretty good. From what I was reading, all the reviews said they're some of the best aftermarket headlights that you can put in. And look, another box. Wow, they packed this thing great. Whew. That's good. These came in yesterday. I just haven't had time to open them. Dang. That's a good one. Looks so good. This thing is just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that right there. Ooh, right. Dang. This headlight is on another level. Okay, so this is going on the blog, guys, because I'm sitting here at the gas station, just running some errands and stuff, and I see this, I'm like, this is perfect for my channel. Alright, ready? Now who? See that? Who? The fuck buys a Nismo Juke? I mean, come on, people. A Nismo Juke? You buy a Nismo, and you're like, of all the Infinities, all the Nismo models, GTR, 370, even the Sentra, which was a okay tuner car in its own right back in the day. You're like, nah. You're like, you know what? I'm gonna get the Juke. Because I got a mortgage, a family, and kids, responsibilities, a boring job that I sit at for 8 to 10 hours a day. Probably at a desk in a small cubicle. I don't really have that many friends. Got some weird coworkers. Try to go to the car meets, but I can never find them. For some reason, no one ever tells me where they are. Alright, I'm just kidding. Nismo Jukes, if you like it, that's good for you. Everybody has their own style. Nismo makes some pretty dope-ass cars. So if you're gonna drive a Juke, hey, at least it's the Nismo edition, right? Okay, so it's like, let me check. It's like midnight, actually 12:19. And I look like death, obviously, but I'm so tired. But I'm gonna keep working on this because we're gonna get something fixed tonight. I got my Fanta, so I'm just gonna keep going. Problem with the AC, it's leaking out refrigerant faster than I can put it in. I was gonna put in refrigerant, put in the dye, and look for the leak. Unfortunately, as I add it, it just comes straight out. So here, I'll show you guys. I'll grab the black light here. And, so that's all the old dye. You can see it just kind of exploded all in there. I really can't tell where it came from, unfortunately. Looks like from either the same spot as, yeah, it looks like it came from that. Looks like it came from right there, those two hard lines that go in, which would have been the same spot as before. But yeah, fun.